Fanvue lets you easily follow your favorite creators or launch your own subscription-based content channel. First, open your browser and go to fanvue.com. You might see a pop-up inviting you to start your creator journey, but for now, just click the Sign Up button at the top of the page. You can sign up using your Google account, Twitter account, or by entering your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Fanvue homepage. To find creators, click on the Discover tab. Here, you can search by name or username, or follow links that creators share on Instagram, TikTok, or X. When you open a creator's page, you'll see their subscription options, like 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. Select the one you want, click Join, and then add your payment method. You can pay with a credit card or Google Pay. Once your details are confirmed, your payment will be saved and your subscription will be activated. On the left side of the screen, you can access your profile settings. Here, you can change your display name, update your handle, write a short bio, and upload a profile picture. You can also check your wallet, manage payment methods, and see all your active subscriptions. If you want to become a creator, click the Become a Creator button on the home page. Select your country, choose your content type and category, create a handle, and set your subscription price. After that, you'll need to verify your identity using your mobile device by scanning the QR code on the screen. Once your identity is confirmed, your creator account will be ready. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.